Kaufman Realty and Auctions and James Yoder Auctioneer present an excellent opportunity to purchase over 3 acres of prime commercial property with incredible visibility at the corner of US 50 and West Pike Street in Clarksburg, West Virginia. Subject number 1 is 1.2 acres with a well-maintained 10,000 square foot multi-use building that was originally built as an armory and most recently the home of Basement Authority of West Virginia. This building has beautiful office space at the center with a full kitchen, 5 offices, and 3 conference rooms. Warehouse space on both ends with 12-foot garage doors. Best of all, this building has 4 gas and electric meters, making it easy to divide for multiple tenants. Subject number 2 is a 0.44 acre corner lot with a handyman special home in an ideal retail location. Subject number 3 is 1.5 acres with a 4,800 square foot steel building featuring a 16-foot and 2 12-foot garage doors. Bid your price on any combination of the 3 parcels. For more information, visit KaufmanAuctionsWV.com or call James Yoder at 304-844-3139.